Hello student, welcome to our online session. Today's session we will discuss a few more concepts based on Microsoft Excel. Uh, Consider I have kept one big Excel file which has so many information. If you can notice, we have so many fields like application number, name, like that. So today's class I will teach you a little bit of formatting concept and how we can sort the data based on certain criteria. Those concepts we will discuss today. So this is the example I have taken. If you could observe, the names have been half of the name has come in the next field. In this case, name usually has to be mentioned clearly. So if you can take the mouse pointer, place in between two cells, and then if you move across, you can adjust the names face of it. And one more thing, whenever you get, if you notice this, there is a e symbol here, but when you observe here, the full mobile number is being displayed. But when I notice within the cell, I have an e symbol. That means space is not enough for the cell to display the entire number, so it has compressed it. So to avoid these kind of error, you need to drag the cell size so that you get the full information. In case I want to adjust the email, but it should be displayed in the same cell. In case if I need to adjust and my size of my email is fixed to only this much, here I've already applied. You have to select an option called wrap text. See, wrap text, if I don't give this Aishwarya's email ID, half the mail ID is get hidden to the next cell. To avoid this, you need to select the cell and you have to mention wrap text. When you give in a same cell, the content get adjusted and it will be displayed. And like a word only, any color you want, selected background color or foreground color, select the particular cell based on the color option you wanted. See, I want this time this color, and I want my text color to be in this, like this. You can specify the color option, and you have various alignment is there, left, center, right, or even you can move across. See, for this I'm selecting even this is left side, this is right side, this is center. Apart from that, even you can move within the cell position also. This is top, this is middle, or you want it in a bottom, you can bring it up. Apart from this, I want my headings to be placed in a here now it is placed in a horizontal way. Apart from that, I want to place in a vertical way, means I can go to this option and make it uh, so here you can place the values in this position also. When you have a table structure, bigger table structure, and you need to adjust in a one single sheet, then you can use these kind of option and you can adjust. Next important thing we need to discuss is, if I want to arrange, see, if you can see here, a different combination of students are there. If you can observe the stream, commerce is there, then arts is there, science is there, all combination of streams are there. So I want to arrange about based on the streams. In that case, whichever you need to sort it out, arrange in a particular order, select that field. See, I have selected the entire thing. I am not pressing in the stream, you have to press in the queue. Select the entire full range of cell, go to this A to Z. This is the position for sorting. Click A to Z option. It will ask whether you need to extend the selection. Extend the selection. This option is there to tell that when I sort, my entire field has to be sorted, not only the stream, this column alone, the entire record has to be sorted. So it will show this option. Click sort. Now if you observe, see, all the arts would have been arranged, then commerce, then you can arrange JOC is there, then science is there. Apart from that, some more criteria you want to sort in extra. Apart from one criteria, I want to arrange in arts only, I want to arrange based on language, second language, or marks, like that. Then you can go for an option called custom stack. To do this, First select the entire range of cells where and all you want to sort. Select it, then go give custom sort. First stream, based on stream I am sorting. Next add level. Then under which name you want to sort, it will ask. I want to sort in stream. I want to sort based upon the obtained marks, how much the maximum mark whoever got. Based on that I wanted to arrange. See, even you can decide here largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Then click OK. Then based upon the thing, the marks would have been sorted. This is how we can sort the values. If you can see it has sorted. Arts is sorted, then it has taken the highest mark, even that is being arranged. These are the one of the nice options available under Excel. In this case, I want to insert a particular student's name in between, means you will have an option called insert. Just select wherever in this below. Here I need to insert in the 5, the location 5. Just click insert. You can select entire row or only one cell. If I say insert row, an entire new row will be inserted. A new row will be inserted for us. See, insert, like entire new row will be inserted. Same way, if I want to insert here, insert, when I give an entire column will be inserted. Same way, if you want to delete selected, right click, delete. You can delete it off. Then another thing, in case if there is any amount is mentioned, like here I am having a column called fees. Usually fees means we don't write in like 5600.00 we will mention, but here I am mentioning only a 9,000. Like this, I wanted a decimal places. In that case, what we can do, type the value, select it, right click, go for an option called format cell. It has varieties of options. In format cell, go to numbers. You decide how many decimal places you want. I want 2 decimal places, means place the 2 decimal places and click OK. So if you can observe, previously I typed only 56,000. My output will be like this. Same way, if you want to remove the decimal places also, go back, format cells, go to numbers, remove the decimal places, make it 0, then it will become a whole number. Like this, you have an options to do. Okay, so these are the some of the concept. And you want to find any content, you want to find a particular name or thing. I want to find a name called Malati. See, so many so many files are there. It is very difficult to find one particular student's record. In that case, I can go for find and I can search for a word called Malati and then give find next, means it will show where it is. Can you see? It has selected this row and telling Malati is being placed here. If I give some wrong selection, I am giving Mala. In case Mala is there, it will show other somebody. See, Lavya Parimala, that name is there. I'm just giving Mal, otherwise some other name. If that particular name is not there, it will return like this. We could not find out what you are looking for. Click options for more ways to search. So if it's available, you can search in this way. And to print the Excel sheet, you can go to file, print. You can see, so when I can observe, only half the sheets have been displaying. I can move here and see how the other pages have been displayed. So I need to adjust. I need to go back, go to page layout and make this to landscape. Landscape means the entire thing will be covered in one page, and then I can go and print. Just select it. You want entire thing, means you can give the active sheets. You want only particular sheet to be selected. For example, I want only this particular, this much only to be printed, means I want only this much only to be printed, means go to file, print, select an option called print selection. So only this much will be printed. The preview will also be available. Based on that, you can give the print option. And usually we have seen the saving also. Go to file, save, you have to give, and it will ask for a location where you need to save. Just you give your file name. I'm giving the name as demo, and then If you click save button, it will be saved. And extension for this is .xlsx. In the latest version, before and all, it will save only with XLS. Now it is going to be version for extension for saving is .xlsx. Okay, same Excel file I want to convert it to PDF. Okay, I have prepared the content. I don't want to be in PDF Excel. I want it to be in PDF, means same file option. Instead of Excel access, go down and select the option called PDF. See here, you have an option. If you select PDF and click OK, then that location file and press save, your file will be converted to PDF and you can get it. Okay, these are the certain things you should know about Excel. Okay, our next session will be about chart. You can go through the next video for chart concept. Thank you.